All right, today in the shop, I've got a Mirafoam tuba sitting on my desk, and get this note from a band director, and then there's this little note in there. There's a plastic animal in the bell. So we're gonna use an endoscope. Thank you, Wesley. Who's got Wesley Music. He turned me on to this as an endoscope, so we're gonna fish this down the bell and see what we can see, all right? There we go. How can I see that? There we go. This thing. That thing is in there, man. Ooh, there we go. Oh. Wow, it is. Yep. All right, I finally got it out. There was some 3D printed dinosaur. It was lodged in there pretty good. I had to get in there with, had to put a magnet on my endoscope and use my mag tool magnet all the way down there so I could see it. And then I stretched out a wire hanger and hooked it under there and yanked it out. And it came out, so there you go. Never gets dull around here. See you the next time.